Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Now let's scroll down again and tap on backup and reset and pick reset phone. And as you can see on the second position, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Let's confirm it with the pattern and tap on reset system settings only. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on it. And right now we have to wait. As you can see, it was quite easy and fast. We've got the information that the system settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset system settings in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.